As the Ottawa County Board of Commissioners were meeting today for a regular session, Attorney General Dana Nessel released her findings on an alleged violation of the Open Meetings Act.
News 8's Megan Bunchman joins us now with the latest on that. Megan?
Emily and Sue, the complaint came after the new Ottawa County Board of Commissioners amended their agenda in January suddenly and then quickly moved to fire the county administrator. They also eliminated the Diversity, Equity, and Inclusion Department and demoted the county's administrative health officer. Dana Nessel said in a news conference earlier today that while the board's actions violated public trust, the board did not technically violate the law.
The actions of some of the members of the Ottawa County Board of Commission clearly demonstrate a violation of the spirit of the Open Meetings Act and a blatant violation of public trust and the tenets of government transparency. Now, it's apparent that certain incoming members of the board met prior to the January 3rd, 2023 meeting to discuss the motto change, termination of the public health director, corporation counsel, elimination of the DEI program, and hiring of a new legal counsel. And this was all done outside of the public view and to execute their will without any public interference. However, there appears to be no actionable violation of the Open Meetings Act or of other relevant laws at this time.
Now at today's regular session, the same contentious backlash and support continued as the public comment period lasted for more than an hour and a half this morning. The biggest concern from the public moving forward is the potential firing of now interim administrative health officer Adeline Hambley and the appointment of Nathaniel Kelly into that office.
Adeline has worked, I believe, 19 years and has built a career. And to have new commissioners come in and to derail her career on erroneous, revengeful, spiteful actions just to plug in a candidate who aligns with their belief system.
Is inappropriate, is what you're saying?
Yes, very much so.
When you put community interests above individual rights, you are forwarding communism. And I know it sounds, extreme to say something like that, but it sneaks in very quietly and subtly under all sorts of flowery language. But I don't think a lot of people realize what we're losing here in this country.
Now, Nessel is proposing changes to the law that would require public bodies to post notices of public meetings and their respective agendas at least 48 hours in advance. And she wants to change the definition of the term public official to include people who have been elected or appointed to public office but have yet to be sworn in. Sue.